Okay, so here I have another unboxing. I bought another bag, I know, from Mercari. It was this really sweet seller, and it's a bag that I absolutely adore. The one that I already have, I don't take out as often because I'll just show you. But I got this from Mercari. I got this package. This shipped out and I got it pretty quick. I think this took about maybe 3 days. And her customer service was beyond, you know, the standard. Like, she just went above and beyond, and I so appreciate her. So definitely shout out to her if she ever sees this video. And she'll know who she is when she sees it. But anyway, I want to unbox it on camera so you see the real reaction. And right now I know it's a different kind of view than I'm normally used to, but I just wanted to make the focus about the bag instead of about me or something else that I can go on a tangent on. But already the packaging is awesome because how we pack things matter. They impact how we receive it, and trust and believe when you're investing your money into something, you want to make sure someone took the time and consideration to do it right and well. And she definitely did that. And plenty of tape securing the box. And she was even kind enough to ask me if I minded her to use a certain box, or if she wanted me to get a new one, or if I wanted her to get a new one. And I just think that is beyond considerate. And there really are a lot of sellers like this out there. I know sometimes we have like a bad experience with one, it can ruin the whole online presence, but there are more positive, really great sellers online than there are some ones that just are having a bad week, a bad day, a bad season. You know, you never know what people are going through. So just to be a little graceful. And I definitely can use something to help me unbox these easier. Sometimes scissors really can get in the way. So I'm just gonna cut the top there. Here we go. And just do this side. And typically when you unbox something, you don't want to do it on anything like, you know, clothing, surface, couch. You typically want to do it on a table or on the floor. That's better. But just for the purpose of this video is the reason why I'm doing this. So this is what this comes in, how it looks. Okay. So I think it came in this way. She did it this way because she was concerned about the box. So yeah. Okay. Man, oh man. Pictures do not do this justice. And hey, I have a trash bag I can use. Hello. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is the, what is this one called? Oh my God, help me remember. Is it the barrel satchel? Ooh. Maybe. I may have got that entirely wrong, but it's their pebble grain material. This is the blue, black and brown style. I had this bag in the signature satchel they have, and I really like this style. See, I have this bag, it's just in the natural, so like it patinas easily, and to me pebble grain is more forgiving than their regular leather. You can wipe something off, you can buff it off. Like on their natural leather, their other one, it patinas nicely, but you do have to condition and treat it. And to me, with the weather conditions lately, can't really trust to have a bag like that outside. So this is nice because this one I don't have to be too worried about, and then the condition of the bag is beautiful. Really great size, and it's just so pretty. And even though I sold the other one I have, it's nice to have it in a different silhouette and still remind me of when I first fell in love with Dooney. So very pretty. You can see these. Love the way they sound, very pretty as well. Like, this is a really great condition bag. Very pretty. Like, she took care of this. The handles are well taken care of. There's no tearing or staining, which is awesome. So let's see here. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. And she did sell me and include the wallet. And the wallet looks really pretty as well. If you can see that, yeah. So, oh, this is perfect. Oh, and look, it still has the tag back there. But this is in a great condition. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, is this not a pocket? No, it's not. This is awesome. So it's got that flap, it's got another one on that side, and then it has where it holds the 6 cards. And it closes. So this is really nice. And to be honest, I haven't seen this kind of style of wallet. Usually the ones I've seen come with like the checkbook compartment or something different or like it. But I really like this. They go well together. And the inside of the bag, my God, such pristine condition. Like, this really has to be one of my favorite purchases. Like, the condition is just so new. And see, like, the awesome part is I paid $70 for both. So that was just someone genuinely wanting to sell and give it to someone else who would appreciate it, which I really appreciate. Because I just sold the bag the same way. I didn't sell it for its full price. I sold it just because, hey, we love bags. We shouldn't have to go broke having them and can enjoy them. So that's what that's like. She's just... I'm changing into this bag today. She's just so beautiful. I gotta make sure, is she black or blue? No, she's black. Sometimes that navy color does look like a black, but it's blue. But this is black. Yeah, that's black. They both are. Absolutely beautiful. I can't keep my hands off of it. Just beautiful.